mal-finali tal-Malta Eurovision Song Contest 2014.
One last dance.
Let the sun shine in, feel it under your skin. Gotta give the love.
Imagine how it feels to lose yourself. Imagine how it feels to forget the rest.
No need to say goodbye. No need to let the stormy weather get the better. This is not forever.
Before we say our goodbye, la 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 la. Oh, I'm coming home. Keep the beat going. Yeah.
Because I have you, I can face anything. Yeah. Because I have you, I see the sunshine when it rains. Can you smell the flowers? Do you see the sun? La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. 4, 3, 2, 1. Il-televoting huwa magħluq. Issa l-biċċa tax-xogħol hija fidej il-ġurija u l-att tal-voti.
Sta relax ħafna ħna. Kalmi, vera ħafna.
Le, mux vera, Tony, inti m'intix relax.
Alright, minix relax.
Il-kliem, it's about coming home, ma mux ġifi tasal id-dar. It's terġa ssib lilek innifsek. So it's about finding yourself. Ikollok xi struggle in life. Oh, yeah, għalek. Oh, and you're coming home, you're finding yourself again.
Yeah, I'm coming home.
Oh, mema. Rridu nerġaw mura namluwa.
Nistaw nerġaw nagħmluha.
X'maġa xiex, kun irku. Storja oħra tbatu. Mixi baritta ġdida. Naraw.
Sinjuri, lura fis-sala. Wasal il-ħin biex nibdew bir-riżultati, bil-votazzjoni. Naraw naqra l-atmosfera fil-green room. Gianluca, Ira.
Hello, Moira.
Hi, Moira!
Għawek jismem, l-atmosfera tider kalma, happy, per naħseb
Leċitament, jgħatemmu.
Għal-kulħat edha tħabbat bil-mitej.
Issa il-ħin li nibdew natu il-riżultati, anzi il-votazzjoni. Se nibda billi inħabbar il-riżultat ta' televoting. U 12 punt se jmorru għal Hypnotica, Jessica. U għaw nistieden il-ġurija, il-punti, il-voti tijak, jek joġbok.
12 punt. Imorru għal Coming Home.
So my 8 points go to Coming Home, Firelight. And finally, my 12 points go to Until We Meet Again, Deborah C.
My 10 points go to DB, Pin in the Middle. And finally, I believe that go to Copenhagen, Firelight.
Okay, then 10 points go to Daniel Testa, One Last Try. And 12 points to Coming Home, Good Life, Firelight.
it-tlet kanzunetti ikomplu jiġġieldu għall-ewwel post.
12 punt, Coming Home.
Sinjuri, ir-rebbieħa tal-Malta Eurovision Song Contest 2014 huma Coming Home, Firelight!
Eurovision's coming home!
Signori, Firelight, coming home!
Għanduk il-brabbaħija waħdi, nisewiex il-loħdi.
Wow, tal-ġen! Wow, really vera kontenta. Issa ndi baż nisfen imma.
Għallini għassu, ħadetek balissa, ħadetek balissa.
They've been so close. They've been so dedicated to this. And I'm just so proud. It's unbelievable. I can't speak. It's absolutely fantastic. And I know they'll do a fantastic job. And I just want to say thank you to everybody who voted for them. So proud of them. So proud of them.
Piacere, George Bank, brother. Da ħijjara, ġem il-għedera. Di uħti, di uħti.
Marti ċib l-istrument?
Ejwa, ras.
Ma jinxaq.
Oh! I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oh, I'm still in shock. I'm still in shock.
Ma nistax nemmen, vera ma nistax nemmen. Ma, thank you Jesus. Thank you Richard. Ta' this song incredibli li ktibt. U thank you l-kulħadd. Il-poplu Malti għawdix. Għawċi.
Life, I will express my soul. Look me in the eye, electrify my bone.
Can't believe it, baby.
I ain't gonna leave until you know my name. Stepping out of the shell, now don't you step in my way. Roaming through fields, I'm trying to find this new land. It's only 'cause I'm here, I'm finding gold in my hand.
Everybody sing!
Oh, I'm coming home. 1, 2,
I'm not holding back, no, I ain't wasting